Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop, no.
Hey guys. Okay, so I know it's not not Tuesday, but I found out something cool. How to get a pencil, a mechanical pencil of any kind, and use whatever lead that you find. So we start off with any kind of mechanical pencil. I'm using a 0.9, and any kind of lead, but I'm using 0.7 to use it. So it's very simple. You just gotta pull the little cap part off, and have this right here. Break off a piece of lead, maybe about that big a size. Doesn't really matter. So you get the lead, let the hole be open, stick it in there, close it up, and pull this part back. 1 second. I'm gonna use a new piece of lead because that one kind of broke off. Pull this back a little bit, and there you go. It works perfectly too. Let me grab a piece of paper and show you. Right here. So let's show you. Let me break out a piece of this lead quickly. Alright. Right there, see? It's very nice, actually. When you're done, where the lead usually goes, like, right in this spot, in here, it's a lead storage, so you can put whatever lead you find in there. The cap can be like a protecting thing. And yeah, I like using these pencils for school. See, look. Yes, I know I'm left-handed. And yeah, so subscribe.